Hey there, Ben Lipper here. This robot looks a whole lot like Flop that was released by VEX, but this is a little bit easier to drive, has a faster arm and a wider intake. Go ahead and check out Over Center. Now, if you're looking at this robot and you're thinking, hey, maybe that's something I'm interested in building, there's a link underneath this video. Go ahead and click it, enter your email address. I'll actually email you a bunch of pictures on kind of what this robot looks like, how it's built, so on and so forth. Now, the key part of this robot that is really valuable is the intake. This intake is specifically designed to pick them up off the floor. I've tried a bunch of different kinds of intakes. I tried rubber band rollers. I tried just like wheels. I tried these flaps, and these were by far the best thing. I think this is intake number 6 in terms of like number of iterations that I've gone through. And this just seems to be the ticket. So, like I said before, if you're interested, even if you just want it for the intake, go ahead and click the link under the video. I'll send you all the details on how this guy picks up bean bags and then the rest of the robot. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. As always, like and subscribe, and I cannot wait to see what you build this year.